I'm just trying to breathe. If I breathe through it, I think I can manage. Today we're going to be trying the
Devil of
fire ramen
from Korea.
It claims to be the spiciest ramen in the world, and today we're going to be rating it with our heart rates. It's the first noodle in Korea to use the Carolina Reaper pepper, which is ranked #1 on the Scoville heat scale. To give you guys an idea, this instant ramen has a Scoville unit of 14,444 compared to Samyang's 2x spicy fire ramen, which has 8,706. So I got Alfred and Zen to join this challenge because we all have different spice tolerance.
Kind of have on and off days with chili. Sometimes I can handle it up to like a certain level. Once it gets to that level of spiciness, it just goes downhill. Like I become a hot mess afterwards.
I'm confident I'll do well. I take spice pretty well, so I think I would be fine with this challenge.
I'm probably the weakest out of everyone, so if you guys are on my level, you can get an idea of what this will do to you or how you will react. First things first, let us prepare the noodles. To prepare the noodles, all you need to do is add water and boil the noodles for 5 minutes. Drain most of the water out, leaving about 8 spoons of liquid. Now we can mix in the sauce. Give it a good stir and make sure everything's coated evenly. Okay, so my heart rate monitor, it's on, it's working. I started off at like 74 BPM and then now it's like 88. You can tell I am nervous because I didn't do that well when I did the fire noodle challenge a couple years ago. So if this is gonna be hotter, I think this is gonna be a lot more painful for me. Earlier, I did do some meditation to just calm myself and just center myself so that I can take on this challenge. I don't know if that's gonna help.
It's looking deadly already. It's not even trying to be cute, you know, the Samyang packaging is cute. This one is just...
I don't know if I'll be able to finish the entire packet, but I'm gonna give it a fair go. At least half, okay, at least half.
I usually like eat the Samyang, like the 2x spicy one for supper. It's just a little kick for me, the spice.
We do have banana milk on standby, guys, but we're gonna reach for this only when we really need it, when we're at our wits' end. So this will be our saving grace. I'm definitely gonna reach for the milk first. I just know it. Like I'm just the weakling of the group.
I think I definitely will need it. I think I will need it. The question is whether or not I'll be reaching for it a lot sooner than I need it. I actually really like this drink, so I think I will be opening it very soon.
I don't think I need to drink any milk, maybe. I didn't even bring the milk out. Should I bring my milk out? Nah.
I think Zen and Alfred might be like on the same level-ish. I know Zen can take a lot of spice. Alfred, it really depends. Like he has his days, so I don't know, you know, what his reaction's gonna be.
Yeah, the past fire noodle challenge was, I don't really remember it, so it must not have been that bad, eh?
I think I'll put my bets on Zen. Zen's probably gonna win, yeah.
Zen loves chili, so yeah, I think Zen might win this challenge. Legend has it that she eats chopped up chilies for breakfast.
I'm like a little scared, just a little.
Tina can't handle spice. She's not gonna handle this.
I got this. Yep, center myself. Tina, you got this. Affirmations, I can finish this. I can handle spice. I am the best.
Let me just relax myself.
Okay. So here is my noodle. We made it into like clear bowls so you guys can see how red that is. Oh, and by the way, guys, there is like a soup version of this. So if you want to try it, we're trying the dry version. Honestly, it doesn't look that crazy. Am I lying to myself?
So it's like steaming hot, which will probably help.
Mine looks the reddest out of everyone. Oh, bottom is so red.
It doesn't smell spicy to me. Maybe my nose is blocked.
I smell it though. It doesn't smell spicy, but my eyes kind of hurt. Like it's making my eyes kind of tingly.
Okay, here goes nothing.
I'm psyching myself out. All right, let's go have a bite.
Let's go.
Right off the bat, right off the bat, I can feel the burn on my tongue. As soon as it hit my tongue, the tip of my tongue is burning.
Oh damn, it's spicy straight away. Yeah, straight away spicy.
It doesn't taste spicy.
I want to say like it's super peppery. Is it like the Samyang one? It's different, it's different. It's a little bit different. Okay.
Yeah, it's 105.
105?
It's spicy, but it's not unbearable yet. What's my heart rate at?
83.
I think I'm doing quite well.
Dropping, oh my gosh. Today's a good day.
It's a good day today.
It's quite nice.
It's so spicy, like it's kind of like thickening up my saliva, so it's so hard to swallow. Yeah guys, I can't speak. The trick is to just swallow, I think. There's no like chicken flavor or anything, it's just like spicy, it's just the devil. I don't know how Zen Alfred's gonna handle this. Like I'm struggling. Third bite.
I can't say it's tasty. It kind of just tastes like noodles, that flour noodle with like a lot of chili on it. Yeah, there's no flavor. The flavor is chili.
My head doesn't hurt yet. I don't have head spins yet. I'm just trying to breathe. If I breathe through it, I think I can manage. I feel like I've got a sweaty nose already. It's just very peppery. It's like a different type of, it's a different kind of spice. Oh, is it because I'm dying? Am I dying?
I feel like I'm just eating at home, just chilling.
It is spicy though, for sure. It's not like it's not spicy. It is, but it's not that bad.
I feel like I am starting to feel a bit lightheaded. Like someone's gotta hold my hair up or something. There is no graceful way of doing this. I'm sweating, it's dripping. I'm definitely not gonna ruin my makeup today, okay? So I need to make sure I don't sweat. There goes my foundation.
I feel like a bit of sweat picking up along the T-zone. The T-zone sweat.
It's not so bad now. I feel like when it touches my lips, it's fine. It's completely numb. I'm just not feeling it anymore.
Tongue is getting a bit numb. Yeah, it's getting hot. It's very uncomfortable.
When you breathe out, it feels good. When you breathe in, it's like fire.
I don't know what to say. I'm just chilling, I'm just eating. This is like a mukbang now.
I need to breathe.
Really spicy at the back of the throat. Like, it's like itchy. It's very unenjoyable.
It's yummy.
My nose is starting to drip. I'm getting the drip rid. I think my lashes are gonna come off because I'm crying. I think I'm halfway, which is like pretty good.
Do I have to finish this?
I can't finish it.
I'll finish it.
My nose is dripping. I think I'm gonna have to I need the milk, at least like on my face or something. I'm not like, look, I didn't lose if I'm not drinking it, right? I just need the coldness somewhere. It's definitely spicier than the Samyang one.
It's hot, pretty freaking spicy, but I was expecting a lot worse. I think it gets bad if you just stop. You just gotta keep going. Just gotta, don't stop. Just keep eating it. Can't stop, won't stop. I gotta stop.
Rate the spice out of like 10.
Out of 10, I would give this like a 4.
A 4?
Maybe 4 or 5. The Samyang one would be like a 3.
Oh my god. I'm almost done. I'm not a quitter. It's freaking spicy.
No, I can't. I can't. The struggle. Oh my god. I'm sorry guys. I feel like I did a little bit more than halfway, so. Ah. I feel like I'm alive again.
My eyes are watery. It's just vicious.
Wow.
Oh man, that's it. I'm done.
I guess I'm done.
Okay guys, I don't know if I can finish this. Once I go to the milk, I don't think I can go back. Oh my god, I'm sweating.
My reward. This is delicious. Oh. Okay, I'm done.
Look, I knew I wasn't gonna. Hold on. When I talk and I breathe out, it's fire in my mouth. I knew I wouldn't be able to finish the noodles, but I'm proud. I'm proud that I got halfway.
I'm so proud. I'm so proud of myself. I did it. I did it. Oh. I think it's even worse now.
I don't feel so good. I feel like I'm gonna vomit.
Yeah. It's really bad. Oh, I just can't even talk. No, I definitely won't eat that again.
I'm out. I'm out. I'm a sore loser, but I'm a proud one. Yep. Oh my god. 2 out of 3 completed the challenge and your girl got a participation award. I'm gonna proudly rock that. I just didn't want to kill myself. I was already struggling. It was tough for me, especially me. I feel like we need to find a challenge that will take Zen down. You know what I mean? That will put her in the pain that I feel. If you guys have any ideas, please leave them below. For now, that is it to this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And if there's any like food challenges or types of viral foods that you want us to try, please let us know and we shall speak to you guys next time. Bye. Thank God I'm not breathing fire anymore. Bum